In this video, I want to talk about how you can transfer crypto from your eToro website onto the eToro wallet. Now, before you can do this, you need to verify your profile completely, and you need to have added a phone number, and you also need to download the eToro Money app. Once you've done this, head over to Portfolio, select the crypto you want to do it with, click on it, and then you want to click on the position that you want to do it with. So click on this. Then up here, there will be a button called Transfer to Wallet, or there will be a button called Edit Trade, and in there will be a Transfer to Wallet. Now, since my profile is not completely verified, I cannot see it in here, but you should be able to see it in here. Once you've done that, it's gonna transfer it over to the eToro Money, the separate app, and then you should have it in there. Now that is basically how that works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.